Hey Sammy fam, tonight we're going to be making a delicious Korean dog sub sandwich, and we're starting with our awesome hoagie roll here. Cost a whole 33 cents at the Key Food, and it's worth every penny and many, many more because I love this bread so much and I can't believe it's so cheap. Thank God, because I'm so poor. On that note though, I want to say thank you to our 2 existing donors on Patreon, and we're 180th of our way to our goal. So if you want to check that out and help keep Sammy Boy existing and me and Sammy Girl from being homeless, be my guest. We have a new benefit coming up for all our donors, which will be a PDF cookbook, which will be added to, it'll start with 1 page at a time, and it'll be, all your favorite Sammy Boy recipes coming out, published there, just for donors only. Anyway, moving on. So first ingredient, other than our delicious bread here, are these. And this is a split and fried Nathan's hot dog, all beef, natural casing, original recipe. I'm gonna put a couple of those on here. Oh yeah. Look at that, already looking good. Now we got this, and what is this glass full of, guys? This is a mixture of rice vinegar. Got that. Got some Kewpie mayo in there. And then, of course, our buddy gochujang. So it's gonna be spicy and a little tangy and like light from the vinegar and that nice mayo. I'm just gonna spread that onto here a little bit, get that all soaked up in the bread. Yeah, that'll be good. Okay, and next we're gonna put on some green onion. A fair amount of green onion. There we go. Guys, just take a break for a second and look at how beautiful this is so far. And it smells so good. You smell the green onion, you smell the delicious all beef hot dog coming through, you smell the vinegar, and the gochujang. The gochujang, has a very strong like spiciness to it, and that comes through. Next up, we're gonna add one more pungent but necessary, I think, aromatic flavor to it. I got myself a shallot here, and I got a micro-grater, or a microplane. I'm just trying to do this carefully and not mess up my fingers. I just want to get a little bit. Okay, that's probably clean it off the bottom here. Sprinkle it along. A little, I'm gonna get a little bit more. Just like liquefying this very oniony flavor, this kind of like sweet oniony flavor. You gotta scrape it off the bottom with your finger, so. There we go. And off the top. Okay. Now on top of that, make sure it's all together, I'm going to put a little bit of provolone cheese. I would suggest, if you're doing something like this, I would use a provolone or maybe a white cheddar or a Gouda. I actually thought about using a smoked Gouda, but I already had the provolone at home, so thought I'd better use the provolone to be, economical about it. And actually, that's probably enough right there. And last but not least, we're gonna put on our buddy, our most important flavor pal, kimchi. Oh, that smells so good. I love the smell of rotten cabbage. Well, not rotten, but fermented. I mean, same thing, whatever. Get a nice big bunch of that on there. And now look at our buddy. And smell, oh, guys, I wish this was smell-o-vision. The second that comes out, I will invest in it for you, and I guarantee we'll finally have 1 million followers when we get smell-o-vision. Because this is fantastic. This is I'm gonna go get high off this, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it in foil and put it in the oven for like 20 minutes to get everything melted together, because you know that's what I do with sandwiches basically in every video. Oh my god. If I can just stop sniffing it though. This kimchi smells so good. Okay, I'll be back. Hey Chevy fam, we're back with our completed Korean dog sandwich right here. Okay, just ripped that off on accident. Just trying to open it. Look at that. Oh god, it smells so good. Look at the mess inside. Melted cheese, kimchi, meat, our special secret sauce that I shared with you guys. On the condition that you won't share it with anyone else, right? Okay, keep that to yourselves. That's for y'all. Because I love y'all so much. You're my Sammy fam. Guys, you're my everything. So be cool, right? Just be cool. Yeah, just be cool. Come on. I'm gonna bite into this now, though. We're gonna see how this is. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh. I know I say this a lot. I'm like, oh, this is the best sandwich I've ever had. But this is the best sandwich I've ever had. Oh my god. The delicious sausage, the hot dog, the sauce we made with the gochujang and the mayo and the rice vinegar, and the onioniness that we added to it. And the kimchi, guys, it is. And of course, the provolone cheese doesn't hurt at all. So good. I love that creaminess to it. I love that green onion. It's a nice sharp taste. Ooh, spicy. That sauce is very fresh and lively, but also spicy. Well, thank you guys for watching. That was the most delicious, spicy Korean dog sandwich I've ever had. And the only one I've ever made and had, so I guess it makes sense. It could have been trash and could have been good, but it was actually good. Trust me on that. And I will make it part of my Sammy Boy recipe book that will be, excuse me, one of the benefits for, excuse me again, wow, the burpee boy. It'll be one of the benefits for joining my Patreon. So please, 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 please go and support us on Patreon, even if it's just $1. It would mean the world to us, me, and Sammy Girl, and keep us from being homeless and keep us being able to do this thing we love, which is share good with food with you, you know? Okay, bye.